Introducing the ultimate grab-and-go snow busting tool, the 24-volt cordless snow shovel from Snow Joe. Combining innovation and functionality with eco-friendly rechargeable convenience, Snow Joe provides an easy, compact, and cordless solution to get snow out of your way this winter. Powered by Snow Joe's exclusive ION Plus 24-volt lithium-ion battery system, 24V-SS11 delivers up to 22 minutes of battery runtime to quickly clear snow from your porch, patio, driveway, deck, and more. The light choice is the right choice with Snow Joe. Weighing less than 12 pounds, 24V-SS11 shreds up to 75 pounds of snow per minute, up to 1,650 pounds per charge, while the dual-handle design eliminates the need to bend and strain, maximizing user comfort and ease of use. Equipped with a heavy-duty 2-blade paddle auger, Snow Joe throws snow up to 20 feet away, clearing an 11-inch wide by 7-inch deep path with each pass. And the durable scraper blade at the base of the unit lets you clear to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. And when the work's done, simply plug the battery pack back in again so it's recharged and ready for the next snowfall. And every Snow Joe comes back by our complete 3-year warranty. So blast past the limits of the extension cord with the latest eco-friendly snow clearing technology. The 24-volt cordless snow shovel from Snow Joe. Get equipped.